Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel UVibes. Today we are going to learn how to create parameterized report in Apex. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm your host Ali Akbar. So let's start. Now we are creating parameterized report. So I'm going to Apex. Now I'm going to create a page. Now I'm going to create a blank page. I'm type page name. I'm type parameterized. Just press next. Assigning navigation menu. Parameterized report. This name would be showing menu navigation menu. Pressing next. Finish. Guys, here we would create two region, one region for item and second region for report. So let's start. I'm creating region, create a region. I'm assigning name, parameterized. You can assign any name and the type is a static content. You can see. And now I'm creating page item, create page item, create page item, second page item. Now I'm assign change attribute from property palette. I'm changing the item name, date 1. I'm changing data type. I'm assigning to date picker, date 1 label, as you can see label automatically change when you change item name. Second, now I'm going to change name date to now data type. Now I'm changing data type date picker. When I press running button, you can see layout of blank page with two items. Guys, you can see auto calendar show when you would change that type from date picker. Apex provided you auto calendar with icon. I'm just changing this view of item. Spam 5 and optional. I'm signing template like optional. Second, also I'm changing same categories. Spam 5. You can change. See, you can see changing. I'm changing template. Optional. I'm saving. Now you can see the difference. Very very beautiful difference. Now I'm creating second region. I'm creating second region. I'm just signing any name report. You can type any name. I'm just change the type of the region. You can assign interactive grid, classic report, or interactive report. I'm just assigning interactive report. When you are assigning a content to 10 static content to interactive report or classic report, then Apex asking you please provide it query or table or source. I am providing query. I'm changing from table to SQL query. I'm writing here query. Paste. You can see item query. Date between date 1, between date 2. You can assign any parameters item field, but at the time we are learning on date parameters. You can see this is the date 1, date 2. When I press save, now second I am creating an button, date button. I'm sending type any name, preview. This label showing on tab on button. Okay. uh, when you refresh this page, you can see more the difference. This is a parameterized region. This is a second region showing that. This you can see this is a preview button showing. I'm just changing hot and I'm changing appearance. Top of the region, you can see when I refresh, button showing on the top of the region and button color change from appearance hot. When I press switch to on, then button color will be changed from white to blue. Okay, so guys, now I'm now our report are ready. Now I'm running this report on provided parameter 25, 25. I'm providing this parameter because I have data on this range. Between this range, I'm just press preview. You can see parameterized showing report data during which we provided date between them. You can see this is a parameterized report. Behavior from button, you can see a submit page. When I press on submit, data showing that you can just change of appearance. I'm changing style accent to, you can see I'm doing quick accent. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like my video. If you have any query, please type comments below. I'm Ali Akbar. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.